She's mad as a black man. Starlings are coming down. Another grey sparrow. Look at him. Mixing up with the starlings. He's not bothered. Little Dennock. You see the ice in the water. Oh, that water looks icy. Put some warm water in this morning. I'm not going to do it again. Yeah, put some warm water in. That is frozen still. Or frozen again. Mr. Blackbird. Yeah, he's eating plenty of apples. Ah, oh, bloody starling. Ooh, a little rabbit in there. A little rabbit.